Okay, we're in the basement where the repairs were done. And we're looking at the dust. As you can see, the floor is just covered in dust all the way around. There's just thick sections of dust all across the floor. All the way around. See footprints here. Up on the shelf here. Just dust all over. The flue, up the flue, all around. It's just coated in a heavy thing of dust. Gas lines here. All across the floor. Just thick coating of dust. Now this is the area that was actually closed off. There's plastic put out across this side. So this was the work area back here. And as you can see, there's still just a tremendous amount of dust across the floor and every surface. Coming to the garage. Again, this was the area that was separated off. You're just dealing with that huge dust everywhere. All over materials. Across the top of all the boxes. The water that ran in today, we've managed to get most of it dried up. And we have some items stored in a trash bag here. It's just covered with dust. Basically just every surface in the house. This is the bathroom. There was plastic put up over this door. It's the repair work that's been done in here. Yeah, just over here. Just a large amount of dust, as you can see. This dust that's collected on everything. Inside the vanity. See on the Febreze bottle.